How to turn on comment ranking on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will open this page. In here, click on the gear icon at the top right, which will lead you to settings. After you're in the settings section, scroll down and simply click on followers and public content. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. You'll find show most relevant comments first. Simply click on it. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do that, comment ranking will turn on. As you can see at the bottom, when comment ranking is turned on, you will see the most relevant comments for your post first. This is how to turn on comment ranking on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.